Hey everyone, we're going to make some lubia. Now lubia in Lebanese basically means string beans. So to make this beautiful string bean dish, what we're going to have is a nice hot frying pan to start with. Some good olive oil. Now you got two different variations of this. I call them the winter version and the summery version. So the winter version is what we're going to show you now. But if you're going to do the summer version, all you have to do is olive oil, onion, throw in the beans, a little bit of water, put the lid on it, kind of evaporate it off, and then we're going to get some fresh tomatoes and some fresh mint right over the top, and you kind of make what we call the lubia salad. This dish here is kind of that really nice, hearty, wintry, warm, but you could also have it cold as well. So, what we're going to do, hot frying pan, a good amount of olive oil to start with. Once the olive oil is in, give it a few seconds to get nice and hot. Then we're going to put in the onions. Just some chopped up brown onion. Give this a good stir. It all starts off with these onions getting that really nice color on them. To get that gorgeous color on these onions, you need to kind of let them sit there, get them really, really fried off, get the flavors happening, and you can smell the kitchen, right? The kitchen in a Lebanese household, for some reason, always smells like onion. Hey guys, our lubia's ready. You ready for this? Now, the best part about lubia is taking the lid off for the first time after you've simmered it. The tomato, the beans, the freshness, the flavors. Ah, the burst. So we're going to put that aside, turn the heat off. And as you can see, the bean still has kind of like its shape. They're nicely wilted. The sauce is nice and thick. And all we simply have to do is grab our bowl, place our beans into our bowl like this. Get them all smothered in the sauce, all that beautiful salsa. Right, now we've got all that mixed Lebanese mixed spices in there. Got all those beautiful beans. Look at that. So tasty. Are you ready? This is the coolest part. We're going to grab this dish and we're going to simply just pour that juice just over the top and let that get everywhere. Look at that. Right, our beautiful lubia, ready to go. What this goes really, really nicely with is some of the beautiful olive lubnia from Grandpa's. It's a great flavor. It's fresh yogurt. It's made done. They get the beautiful Kalamata olives, blend it up, throw a little bit of Tabasco in there. They mixed it with the yogurt, and this is a great side to go alongside this beautiful, gorgeous bean salsa, this thing called lubia. I grew up on it. Hope you guys enjoy it.